All right, guys, I guess I'll share some impressions of Maui now that I've been here 3 days and gotten to see some parts of it. It is a beautiful place. So areas like this, very beautiful. The ocean is beautiful. The beaches are beautiful. I personally am not a water guy. I will admit, embarrassingly enough, I've never really been taught how to swim. If needed, I would probably manage, but I would be terrified in deep water. And if you threw me into the ocean, into a deep pool, anything like that, I would probably panic and forget that you're not supposed to panic, and I would probably start flailing around. Eventually maybe I try to swim to the best of my ability, but probably get tired and drown. So I'm not a water guy, not huge on the ocean and anything to do with the ocean, so I'm more of a mountain type guy. I love the mountains and secluded areas and things like that. Okay, go and drop the bike on the incline. So beautiful places, beautiful areas, beautiful spots to see. Weather-wise, not my type of climate. It's very humid, just sweating all the time. Apparently in the valley, temperatures are always in the 70s and 80s. And yeah, I'm gonna have to pause the video for a little bit, I think, because I just got to another waterfall, and the question is it worth stopping? I was hoping I'd get to see it. I was hoping I'd get to see it off the road. I'm not really I might consider it coming back. I was hoping I'd get to see it off the side of the road, because I kind of don't want to hike anymore, being that I'm all geared up. So I will continue the video for now. Where was I? Impressions of Maui. Yeah, very beautiful places to visit. And as far as living here, man, I don't think I could do it, honestly, guys. I think it would get to a place where I would just get bored being stuck on an island, trying to find new things to do. I mean, as far as riding, there's not a whole lot. I mean, how many times can you come and ride this, especially since it's full of tourists, and not be able to have fun on the road like this? What is this? What is there to see here? I don't know. Okay, thanks for pulling over. Appreciate it. Beautiful. So as a vacation place, yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. I would highly recommend checking it out. But I mean, I've talked to people that live here. An Uber driver said that they used to come, him and his wife would come here all the time, and eventually just fell in love with it and decided this was their place and decided to move. So that I don't really feel that strong desire and urge to just live here. But I suppose if you're passionate about surfing and ocean related things, hey, why not? All right, well, I will stop talking for now. I'll see if I can come up with another topic to talk about, but other than that, just enjoy the views, guys. Hope you like it. If you do, drop a like below the video. Subscribe if you want to see more adventures like this, more beautiful places. And if you can, go ahead and plan a vacation here. Just do it. Take some time off, buy some plane tickets, and come check it out for yourself. It's totally different when you are here in person. Look at that. Very nice. All right, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Meanwhile, enjoy. Yeah, I know. Didn't think you'd see me so soon, huh?
Oh, dude.
Sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
I figured I'd...
I'm glad you heard me.
Yeah.
I'm glad you heard me.
I did. I figured I knew he's calling me and I'm missing something.